Let's go right
What's that, babe?
Is it possible for it to all go exactly planned?
No.
Exactly.
What we need now is a decent crash.
No,
No?
no.
Why
Because I'll
not?
probably be the victim.
No.
Oh, yeah. Look how easy it is with push maneuver. Are these like old cars?
I don't think they're old.
How old do you think they are?
Oh my god, there's a Yeti. Did you just laugh? Did you just laugh? Stop laughing.
No joke. I wish my phone could take pictures. Can my phone take pictures?
No.
Also, that's what you get with it, isn't it?
Yeah.
I thought if you used female.
I wish the weather was better.
What was that?
I wish the weather was better.
Yeah. See, it was nice for like 3 weeks, was it? And then all of a sudden it just went horrible.
Yeah, so what do you think of the weather, Hallie?
I think it's disgusting. It's revolting. It's not like France weather in the summer. It should be.
Yeah, I know.
I'm wearing my coat in July.
It's a very nice coat. You got your boots on as well?
Yeah. Why do you think they made a big hole there?
Here.
No, there. Gap.
Oh, so the cars to come through.
Oh.
And there you go.